An American staple that conjures up images of classic auto manufacturing and assembly line heritage. Mustang. As a noun, it means a small hardy horse of the American plains, descended from Spanish stock. As a verb, it means to round up wild horses, especially in order to sell them illegally to slaughterhouses. Welcome to the Ford Mustang.
External styling.
A great mix of retro with a minimalist attitude toward the modern era. It's an absolute beauty.
Engine.
It's a peppy 3.7-liter V6. For someone like me who's come from fun, but really small, really cheap Japanese sedans, purchasing and experiencing a 9-year-old V6 Coupe American classic has been a revelation. Awesome.
Transmission.
This 6-speed manual is quite good and engaging. It definitely doesn't have the crispness, especially in the first couple of gears, but it's a muscle car. It's going to be a bit chunky. The only thing I did buy was a clutch pedal extender. It has absolutely helped my leg from having a blown out calf while my hits the steering wheel.
Steering.
Well, there are 3 steering modes in the Mustang. Sport is the only one that feels proper. Avoid the other 2 like the plague. They just numb the experience.
Brakes.
Good.
Internal styling.
The difference is massive between the base and premium options. I can only recommend going premium.
Seating.
Driver comfort is excellent. The back is really only meant for children or small adults. And yes, that's an infant rear-facing car seat.
Cargo.
You can do a massive grocery run and absolutely fit everything back there with ease. Inside, as expected, storage is not great. The doors barely hold anything, and the cup holders are hilariously laughable. I mean, why? You try driving stick with 2 coffees and get back to me.
Audio.
Everything feels very mid. There's no nuance. It's all just kind of blocky in there. This should have been a lot better.
Overall impressions.
The 2012 Ford Mustang V6 Coupe Premium with Performance Package is a stunner of a car. I've absolutely enjoyed driving it, and while it has some quirks, every car does. The experience you get from it, the engagement and the feel, it's exactly what I was looking for from something that was extremely affordable used, has a history of being relatively reliable, is cheaper in insurance than my old Honda CR-V, go figure, and puts down some serious damn fun on regular octane. So if you have the chance, do your research and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You can't get a Challenger or a Camaro for the price. And if you're gonna go a little smaller and Japanese, you certainly can't get a nice used Miata, for example, for the year and the price, right? And what you get in return for the Mustang is truly amazing. I love the feel of a burly 2-door, but that still has the nimbleness and manual engagement you'd want from, just that kind of a car to throw around. Ultimately, it's a winning combo and one I highly recommend if you ever get the chance. Do it.